Welcome to the NUS Engineering Learning Festival 2021. I'm Jennifer, a student from the NUS Faculty of Engineering, and I will be your host for today. This is the first time that the NUS Faculty of Engineering, through its Continuing Education and Training Office, is organizing a learning festival on such a scale. We are very grateful for the enthusiastic support from our main partner, the NUS School of Continuing and Lifelong Education, or SCALE, as well as other partners such as the Alumni and Outreach Units that have helped us. The purpose of the Learning Festival is to examine the roots, trends, and challenges that key technologies such as robotics, AI, and 5G have in our work. As you may have seen from today's program, there will be a panel discussion, short masterclasses, a live demonstration of the latest technology invented by our very own engineering professor, and also a fun quiz with attractive prizes, all the way until 5:45 p.m. today. Without further ado, it is now my pleasure to invite Vice Provost of Master's Programs and Lifelong Education and Dean for School of Continuing and Lifelong Education, Professor Susanna Leong, to deliver her opening speech.
Distinguished participants, NUS colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the inaugural NUS Engineering Learning Festival 2021, organized jointly by the Faculty of Engineering and the School of Continuing and Lifelong Education, or SCALE. I'm delighted to share that more than 900 participants have registered to attend this e-event. We have participants from China, Malaysia, Russia, Indonesia, and of course from Singapore. Judging from the enthusiastic sign-up, it is clear that many of you are eager to hear and learn from the industry experts and NUS engineering professors today. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in massive loss of lives, caused unprecedented disruptions to global and national economies, and changed the way we live, work, learn, and play. Many countries remain in the thick of battle against the virus, even as vaccination is underway. In the global fight against COVID-19, we see how different disciplines such as medicine, data science, computing, and engineering have come together in the production of contact tracing apps, COVID-19 swab test kits, and vaccinations. I am confident that all of this will respond and rise above the challenges of this pandemic. Indeed, this current pandemic has inspired and accelerated many innovations. A good example is the use of online meeting tools, such as Zoom, that has enabled us to reach out to so many of you who are unable to join us physically in Singapore today. And with the help of such innovation, we are also able to exceed the 200 seating capacity engineering auditorium to accommodate all of you for this learning festival. Thus, even in the face of adversities, we should not lose hope and instead embrace the opportunities that new technologies and innovations such as robotics, 5G, and AI may offer as they continue to transform our lives and work. Engineering is the bedrock of innovation. Engineers are creative, critical, and capable individuals who make things happen. We have engineers to thank every time we fly in an aeroplane, drive a car, cross a bridge, video call our loved ones on our smartphones, turn on the air conditioners to cool our rooms, or even when we flush a toilet. Indeed, there are so many things which we enjoy but take for granted in the 21st century modern society, which are results of brilliant engineering solutions. By applying the principles of mathematics and science, developing processes and integrating systems. Engineers develop solutions to solve many of the world's toughest technical issues and improve the quality of life for humanity. We need more talented men and women to read engineering, to continuously push the boundary of knowledge and rise to the challenges of a constantly changing world. Even more importantly, we need engineers to be lifelong learners, to continue to equip themselves with new knowledge, whether in broad skilling or deep skilling. It has been observed that the half-life of knowledge, which is the amount of time that has to elapse before half of the knowledge of facts in a particular area is superseded or shown to be untrue, is becoming increasingly shorter in certain disciplines. And that is true, for example, for engineering and computing. Therefore, we must pay particular attention to the half-life of knowledge and the relevance of knowledge and skills so as to remain competitive and relevant. As such, I am really heartened to see so many of you at this e-learning festival today. Dear participants, an exciting program awaits all of you today. In addition to the panel discussions and master classes scheduled in this inaugural NUS Engineering Learning Festival, I hope you will consider the many learning opportunities offered by the Faculty of Engineering and Scale in areas such as AI, 5G, and robotics. Indeed, our colleagues from Engineering and Scale have jointly offered numerous training programs, notably the SG United Skills Program in Advanced Manufacturing, and together with colleagues from the School of Computing, School of Design and Environment, Institute of System Science, we are key players in the IMDA's 5G and Telecoms Program Manager, and we will be rolling out courses, modules, certificates, and degree programs in 5G technology soon. All these training programs are conducted by experts and practitioners from industries, as well as our engineering professors who are world-class scholars with many years of research and teaching experience. I am confident you will benefit greatly from these opportunities. Thank you once again. Please enjoy yourselves, and I wish you a very fruitful and productive learning day ahead. Thank you.